How to permanently delete Marvel Rivals account. The first things first, if you will have to register for Marvel Rivals official site, there's gonna be a bunch of options for you to connect your account with the game. So it's gonna be through either a Steam, a PS5, an Xbox Series, an Epic Store, or a NetEase account. So most of the time you guys will be registering using your NetEase games. If you will log into your account right here, and then if you go directly to your profile and then to your My Account, you won't be able to see permanently deletion of the account option in here. So what you want to do is go to your NetEase Games account and make sure that you logged in. And once you're logged in, all you have to do next is make sure that you're on your current profile. And once here, all you have to do is hover your mouse to other functions, and there you should be able to see delete my NetEase Games account. And just simply click on that, and you'll be redirected to a new page in which you'll have to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account and have complied with all relevant provisions of the user agreement. Now just simply tick this box right here and just tap on next and acknowledge again and submit. Now, once you're on the page, all you have to do is to enter the email address associated with your Marvel Rivals account. Once you have completely typed it in, you have fully or completely deleted your Marvel Rivals account. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can permanently delete your Marvel Rivals account.